Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya and I am your English partner in your English learning journey. So friends, how is your English practice going on? And I hope you are doing great and you are not skipping your English speaking practice for even a single day. So friends, today I'm going to share with you 3 most effective tips of learning English, improving English, and to take your English from an intermediate level to an advanced level. Okay, friend, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Friends, the first and the most effective technique which I am using right now is imitation technique. Yes, I have already made a video on this technique and you can go to my channel and watch that video. And some of may you find my accent little weird, though I am an Indian, so I should talk to you in an Indian accent. But why I am talking to you in a native accent? Yes friends, this is the technique that if you want to be a fluent English speaker, then you have to act like a native speaker. You have to act like an English speaker. Friends, this is the technique that you have to follow, that if you really want to be a good English speaker, if you want to bring fluency in your English speaking, then you have to follow this imitation technique. Okay, you have to think yourself that you are a native speaker, right? Okay, and you have born in an English country, so you have to talk like them, you have to act like them. Then you will notice a change in yourself, right, automatically. Actually friends, it happens to all of us, when we speak English, we become conscious in front of people, right? And we send negative signals to our mind that we can't speak English. People are judging us, we are being noticed by people, so we become conscious and we can't pay attention to our English, right? We pay attention to those people, that they are noticing us. So this is the main reason that we fumble, we hesitate, we feel shy while speaking English. And now I would like to give you my example, that what happens to me, when I am alone, I speak much better English than this. Yes, trust me guys, it happens to everyone, I think, because when I'm doing my household chores, I go upstairs, to put my wash clothes under the sun. Yes, so while doing this activity, I speak English a lot. That time no one is noticing me, no one is going to judge me, so I speak much better English than this. Yes, it happens to everyone. And if this happens to you, so please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know it happens to you or not. Friends, what do you have to do to bring fluency? You have to act like a native speaker, okay? And you have to send positive signals to your mind. Okay, you don't have to become conscious while speaking English. Okay, so this was my first tip for all of you. Okay, let's move on to the second tip. Now this is the time for our second tip. So friends, my second tip is also very important. The tip is doing imagination. Yes, you have to imagine yourself as a native person, as a native English speaker. Or you can think that you have become Prime Minister of India, or you are delivering speech to your nation, in English. Or you can think that you are Donald Trump, you are President of America. And it's not like that. You have to just imagine yourself as a famous personality. You can imagine yourself as a teacher, as a doctor, as a police officer. You can put yourself into a situation. Okay friends, so I will give you an example to make it more clear, right? Okay, you imagine yourself as a police officer. So what will you do if you catch a thief? And what will you do with him? What will you say to him, if you catch a thief? Or if you are a doctor, what will you do? What will you say to your patient? What will you advise? What will you suggest to your patient? So you can act like a doctor, a police officer. You can imagine yourself, like them. I also use this tip at home with my kids. What we do at home, we imagine ourselves as 2 English ladies. My daughter and me play this game together, and we imagine ourselves 2 English ladies, and we talk, regarding dress, shopping. So what we both do basically, I will give you a glimpse of that. We act like 2 English ladies, and we, I say to her that, "Oh, hello, Mrs. Spencer. What are you doing? Oh my God, Mrs. Spencer, where have you been? Oh my God, your dress is so pretty. Where did you get it from?" And she will reply me, and I will say another thing to her. We play this game together and we enjoy it a lot. So we play this game in an English accent, so fluency brings automatically. So you can also play this game with your kids, guys, with your husband, with your friends, with your relatives, who can speak English. You can play this game with anyone. So friends, please do not forget to try this tip. Try this once, it's very interesting. So now I'm going to share with you my third tip. Well, my third tip is leaving your comfort zone. Yes, friends, you have to leave your comfort zone if you really want to speak good English. Okay? Because if you push yourself now, then you will be able to become a good speaker, a fluent speaker. See, I am also using this tip right now. You can see I'm not shooting my video at home, you know. I am shooting where? I have come out of the house. See, I am shooting out of my house because I thought that I should apply this tip on myself also. So see, I'm moving here and there, I'm roaming around, I am speaking English continuously. So friends, I also use these tips on me. See, you can see the difference, right? And I also can feel the difference that if you need to learn something, you need to push yourself, you have to leave that comfort zone. So friends, these were my 3 tips for all of you, and you can use these tips to learn English, to improve your English, and to take your English from intermediate to advanced level. So friends, lastly, I would like to share one more thing with you, that why you need to set a separate time for your English speaking practice. Can't you practice while you're walking? Can't you practice speaking English while doing your household chores? Can't you practice while doing your laundry? Right? So you can practice. You have a lot of time, friends. But what you have to do, what I was saying, that you have to leave your comfort zone. You have to start doing practice right now. So my dear English learners, you do not need to take out separate time for your English speaking practice. You can do your English speaking practice anywhere, anytime. Okay, what I am doing, you can see me. Okay, I'm walking, and while walking, I'm talking to you. I'm shooting my video. I'm creating my video out of the house. So this is also a big achievement for me. Actually, I have never done it before. Well, it was a nice experience for me, shooting outside. Well, if you find my video useful, friends, so please to motivate me. I'm motivating you, and so please, you also motivate me. To motivate me, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. So friends, now it's time to leave. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and keep learning. Bye-bye.